Hello, konnichiwa. Welcome to a new video. We are in Tokyo right now and my name is Oliver. In today's video, my mom arrives to travel with me for the upcoming 10 days. Together, we will do a cooking workshop which starts at the local market to buy the products and they'll teach us how to cook 3 typical Japanese dishes. A special Japanese omelette, Japanese fried chicken, and of course, sushi rolls. It's gonna be interesting and delicious, so don't miss out on this cooking class while you're in Japan. Please like and subscribe, and then we'll start the video. Let's go! I'm here at the metro station. I'm gonna pick up my mom. She's flying in for 10 days now in Tokyo. We're going to Osaka, Kyoto, and Tokyo here. Today is actually a day with a full planning. We're gonna do so many things. And I am switching hostels, so that's why I have literally all my stuff with me. I'm going to the station now, where the train stops, where my mom will get off from the airport. And from there, we're gonna start the day. Let's go! She's here. The train has arrived. There she is! Oh my god! Hello! Welcome to Tokyo! Konnichiwa! Sorry. I got your metro tickets. Ready? Here we are. Got a coffee from the 7-Eleven and an Air 1 Yakult. And we're on our way. It's 1 hour with the metro. Yeah, we have to do it. We are on our way to the workshop. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna make our own lunch. Different dishes. Mom's looking forward to it. Let's go. It's a bit of an interesting route to get there. All these different trains and the same number goes to a different destination. So it's kind of a puzzle to figure everything out. But we are here and we are going to Yokohama, which is close to Tokyo, but it's still an hour drive with the metro. We're gonna go into this one right now. We have 20 more minutes to arrive, so we're gonna be late because we're already late. We're never gonna be there in 20 minutes. Oh, what? He's not even stopping. He's not stopping. Okay, oh, whatever. We'll wait here. Okay, so we got here. We are running now because we got off at a station that's a bit far out, to be honest, but it's fine. We got here. We're in this city where the workshop is gonna be. We arrived here with our metro tickets, but we had to pay, because of that, 410 yen per person extra in cash. Now we're walking to the police station because that is the meeting point. We're already late. It's already like a 10:15, so yeah, that's not a very good first impression, but it's fine. Let's see. We're almost there. So you're at the police station already?
Yes, here we are.
Here we are. We were too late. We are still too late, but he's not here yet waiting for us, so it's also a good thing. Oh, there he is. Hi, Oliver. Hi,
Yeah,
nice to
hi,
meet you.
Maria. Oliver Maria. I'm Ichigo.
Ichigo.
I'm the host of your cooking Yeah.
Oh.
lesson. After you, I think a lot of customers come
Yeah.
to here and to buy some ingredients.
Wow. Tuna specialty store. The crepes are alive. I think these ones are not alive anymore, but the one in the nets, yeah, they're still alive. And big fish. Wow, I love it. The typical Japanese food, I don't really know.
Yeah.
We all know, the whole world knows ramen and sushi to be Japanese, but it stops there, I think. These mini octopus, mini squid. Wow, that's amazing. Taiyaki.
Yes, the shape is
Taiyaki, fish shape.
yeah, shape like
Taiyaki, olibola.
no, this is cookie
Like a cookie?
from rice.
Taiyaki. Oh, there it is. Oh, guys, look at these fish. Wow, this red one is beautiful. The yellow one, yellowtail, beautiful. What colors? Squid. Wow. That was a really nice market. They have literally everything in one single market: fashion, cosmetics, fruit, fish, meat. If you are here and you have the time, check this market out. Really cute. Ooh, those are really nice. Treating herself.
Yes.
Perfect.
My guests at home.
Oh, and your guests at home, yeah. She's talking the whole time about buying souvenirs for everyone, but now she is buying a souvenir for herself. So he's buying some fish now, and then we have meat, we have fish. We don't have vegetables, but I'm sure he has something in his house. And then we're taking a taxi to his house, and then we're gonna start the cooking class. It's very nice actually because it's very local, right? Going to someone's house and he's teaching you how to cook typical Japanese food. It's not so massive workshop touring facility, you know, where you do that. So I think it's better like that. It's like smaller, more authentic. Yeah, more real. Oh, the door is already open. Nice. Okay, let's go. Perfect. You gonna sit here?
Yeah. No.
There?
Yeah, front.
Okay. Oh, this is comfortable.
Yeah.
First time in a Japanese taxi.
Oh.
Let's see how much a ride costs. That's very interesting to see. The starting price is 500 yen. It is still 500 yen. So I don't know how fast it goes up. Let's see. How nice, there's even a TV screen in a taxi. Amazing. Here we are. You know what's funny? The driver of the taxi opens the door for the passenger, so you don't have to open the door yourself. That's why the door was already open, because the driver opens the door with the button. Amazing. I love Japan. We arrived to his house where the workshop is gonna take place, but first we have to wash our hands, of course. Okay, we push it.
No, only one.
Oh, nice! And that's the soap.
Yes.
Okay, we have arrived. Here he already set up everything. Well, everything. The little grill. Nice. I see what we're gonna do. I'm so excited. Oh god, I'm so bad at this. Wait.
And then to the front.
Front.
Yes.
Do you tie it here, no?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think we're ready to go. Oh, 3 menus.
Yeah, just about one is deep fried chicken karage.
Okay.
And second one is tamago yaki, Japanese egg omelette.
Okay.
And last one is roll sushi.
Okay. Nice. Let's do it.
Is it okay?
Yes. Oh wait, before we continue, I really want to tell you about the PDF file I made. 5 must-know travel tips for your next trip. And you can download it completely for free. I'll show you exactly my trick to find the cheapest flights, like this one to Bali, and I'm telling you exactly how to correctly board a plane with the right luggage so you have enough leg space without having to pay extra for it. Like here, you see, it's part of tip number 5. The PDF file will contain 5 crucial tips I wish someone had told me. 1. What I do to find the cheapest flights. 2. Save on one-way flight tickets. 3. When and how to board the plane correctly. 4. How to stay connected everywhere in the world. And 5. What the right luggage is to travel with. Download it now for free through the link in the description and travel better and easier.
Seaweed, yes.
Seaweed. Oh, dashi, seaweed.
Dashi.
Rice. I have no idea what all of that is, but he has to explain a lot to us.
A little strong flavor.
A little bit, huh?
Oh yeah.
What does it taste like?
Yeah. Dashi.
Seaweed.
Just
It's sweet, yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell you that the PDF file also has a bonus tip, how to save extra money on something in particular. So head to the link in the description of this video and download the PDF file for free. Trust me, it's gonna make your life way easier. Alright, without further ado, let's get back to the video.
the first step is the most difficult.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a little bit difficult.
Yep. I understand.
The finish of the first step.
Yes.
And moving the roll in
The same.
yes, and
You make it bigger.
yes. And this is the key point. You lift the roll egg
Yeah.
and 流し込む
And then we start.
Yeah.
Oh no, she
no.
broke it.
No problem. No problem.
It's a little bit too big to make the last.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's it.
Okay. Yeah. Exactly.
Ah.
Okay. The master chef.
Yes.
Okay. So one more time.
I fix the shape of
Are you there? Okay, fix it for us.
this.
Yes. I'm a pro. I always say that I am very bad at cooking, but I think I'm actually a very good cook because if people are telling me, explaining me how to cook, I will be able to do it and I'll be able to do it good. So from now on, I'm gonna try to cook more often and read recipes. Maybe I'll try that. Japanese recipes, other than sushi and ramen. I can make it. So 2 more dishes to make. We finished the omelets, which are nicely laying there. And then there's like sushi here, so sushi rolls, fresh tuna from the Japanese Sea, and Nordic salmon with cucumber and pickle that is real Japanese pickle. Yeah, so we're gonna make that too. We marinated the chicken, so we let that rest a little bit, and these are the rolls that we're gonna make.
The other side will do.
No, yeah, even better.
Yeah.
Wow.
Can I put the cucumber as well, the two?
Oh yes,
Cucumber and a tuna?
yes. Good combination. Oh, great.
Wow. Such a good job. Good. Is this good? I have no idea if this is good.
No, you have to roll it. Oh, doorrollen.
Yeah. No.
Other way around.
Open and roll only this roll.
Okay.
Sushi.
Okay. I think it's perfect.
Just grab now. Open. Oh, good.
Wow. Yes. What's that?
Cornstarch.
Coconut?
No, cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
Yeah. Corn powder.
Corn powder. Okay. Oh, so this is a chicken.
Yes.
Oh. It's a chicken covered in something white, and then he's gonna fry it. But he doesn't have a fryer, so it's fine. Like a deep fryer. He just fries it in this little pan. Oh, nice.
We'll cut the roll sushi.
Cut the sushi, yeah.
Yes. But cutting sushi
It's difficult.
a little bit skill.
So we got the omelet, mom's omelet.
Yeah.
We got the sushi, 5 rolls, and we got the chicken there. So that's a very nice lunch, I would say. A typical Japanese lunch. We got sushi, egg, and chicken. What else can we wish for? Nothing. We're in Japan.
Yes.
Good. Wow. Yes. With love, eh? Wow. This is your tuna roll that you made. Perfect. Wow. I'm very good at this. You see, I'm very good at cooking. This is perfect. So what did you love about today?
Everything. But the most important thing for me is that we were in a real Japanese home. So that was really great that we have a home class.
Yes.
So thank you so much for that.
That he opened his home for us.
Our class.
Thank you. It was really nice and it looks amazing. And your house looks very cute. So in summer it gets really hot, right? Because you have an air conditioning. So in summer it gets hot?
Yeah, I'll get told yes. In Japan?
Yeah.
Yeah, about 38 degrees.
38?
Yeah.
That is crazy. 38 degrees. And now it's 6. It's so cold outside. Well, luckily we are inside. Well, guys, bon appetit.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for the chef.
Thank you for your great job.
Wow, it looks amazing. Are you ready
Yes,
to
I
eat
am.
it? Wow,
Yes, I am.
delicious. We're outside. It's been an amazing workshop. The food was delicious. And now I know how to properly make a Japanese omelette. And my mom too. Actually, hers looks better than mine, but yeah. Well, I won't say that another time. This is a once in a lifetime comment. So thank you so much for watching. And obviously, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. But before you click this video away, I want to tell you about another video I made. I went to the Mei Shrine Temple, which was insanely beautiful. I witnessed 2 traditional Japanese weddings and went up to the 32nd floor to get a 360 view over the city of Tokyo. I put the video here on screen for you to watch next, so click on it and I'll see you there. Bye!